Plustek eScan offers a wide range of wireless connectivity. It allows scanning to a variety of cloud services, including Dropbox, Google Drive, Evernote, and more. First, press your document into ADF, head first and face down, then tap eScan button on the left side. You will see your scan image show on the screen. Simply tap the Save button on the lower right corner. For more editing function, please see the editing tutorial video. From the following windows, you will need to select a desired destination to save your document. In this case, simply tap the Cloud button. Then, select the cloud device from the list and enter username and password on the web field. Tap on the Connect button to test if the connection is working. After successfully connecting to the cloud server, tap the up arrow button to save the scanned document. When you see the Uploading Success dialog, the scanned document has been saved to the cloud server. You may tap the Continue button to save the scanned document to another destination, or tap the Finish button to complete the scanning procedure. If you frequently use a particular cloud server, you may make a shortcut for list. First, go to the main page. Tap on the System setting on the bottom left corner. Then, there will be a toolbar with 4 options on the lower left corner. Select the far right option, then tap the Cloud button on the right side. Switch on the Use this cloud as the only destination button. Simply tap the Set button. You will see the cloud setting window. If it shows your desired server, simply enter account and password, then click OK to test the connection. If not, select the Change button on the upper right corner to modify the detail. If the connection works, you can directly scan your desired cloud server. Plustek eScan offers an alternative cloud application to organize your document, all in one by Plustek eScan.